welcome to Beyond Shadow. So I wanted to talk about face masks and makeup. I know, we have a little issue here, right? We've got to wear the face mask, but we don't want our makeup smudging. So I figured I'd share a little secret that I have, how I do my face makeup, and what kind of keeps it in place, right? I've got every kind of face mask you could probably have. I mean, I got it all. I got got Camp by Let It Breathe. You know, I went bling bling. I got multiple blings. I think I got these all from Dress Barn. But anyway, I got so many darn face masks. I don't know what to do with myself, but I know one thing. I found a way to kind of keep my makeup in place. And then look at this one. This is my Spurs. Go Spurs, go. And I have my Spurs face mask. This one has actually white cloth for the second layer on the inside. So I've, been through a lot of different ones, and there's a commonality. They all smudge your makeup. Yeah, so since we have to wear these things anyway, I figured I would come up with some makeup tips to help you keep your makeup in place while you have to wear your face mask. And it's actually pretty simple. So I figured I'd take you through my full face makeup routine so you can see what products I use, and then I can share with you how I keep my makeup in place. And just to show you how good it is, I'm going to use my white face mask. It's white on both sides. White face mask, so you guys can see that. But anyway, let me jump right on in, and I'll just take you through my face makeup and then show you what I do to keep my makeup in place. All right, so let's get started. So just so you know, I actually use a little bit of lip tint. I have this great Sephora lip oil that I used on my lips because they were so dry. So it just wanted a little bit of tint. And when you're wearing your face mask, your lip gloss and your beautiful matte colors and all that stuff just goes right out the window. So I actually love this one. You can see this one on Sephora Clean Collection video that I have, and check out all of those products, but those lip oils are fantastic. So I actually do just put a little bit on anyway, even though I have to wear a face mask. Yeah, so when I get to my concealer, I use a couple of different products. This one is also a MAC product. I'm just kind of a huge fan of MAC makeup when it comes to just my full face makeup, and I like using this product because it does give me that full coverage under my eyes where I've got some issues, and so I typically put a lighter shade on underneath my eyes to give it that brightening effect. Okay, so I have my full face makeup on, and I like to make sure that I get my concealer on my eyes as well, because even though your face mask isn't going to touch that area, you still want your eyeshadow to stay in place. You want it to look fabulous. So I go ahead and put my concealer on before I take this step. After I've gotten my entire full face makeup on, as you can see, I think I'm even. I hope so. I use my favorite Fix It product, and this is a MAC product. Fix It is fantastic. This works really well for keeping your makeup in place. And the secret to the smudgeless makeup when you're wearing your face mask is to get your full face makeup on before you do any powder, okay? Before you do the powder, and actually give your face a good spray. So if I open it, that would help a lot. Okay. And then once I get it on there, I actually do let it dry. So just give it a, 30 seconds to a minute or so, and let that dry and let your face makeup set. Because when you do this, it actually just keeps all of your makeup in place. And then I utilize this step before the powder, because once I put the powder on, it really sets it. So it stays all day. And I love it for decreasing the shine, because I usually get some shine in my T-zone, especially on my nose by the end of the day. And this helps to reduce that. So I really like taking this step and helping my makeup to stay on all day long, no matter what. So, when you're doing the face mask thing, you have to kind of make sure that your face doesn't smudge all everywhere, your makeup doesn't go everywhere, and this is the step that really keeps it in place. So if you were already used to doing that, that's great, that's perfect, but I think most people are using that Fix It product after they complete all of their makeup. So I will tell you, I also do this step again, except I don't use as much Fix It once my complete makeup is done, and then I actually use it again. So it really just helps it set and stay that way all day long. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Wait until the end because I'll show you my final face makeup for today. And if you want to see a tutorial on my shadow that I do today, let me know. Hit me up in the comments. All right. And if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel at Beyond Shadow 2020. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel at Beyond Shadow. Yeah. Just subscribe to my channel, please. Okay. Thanks a lot. Bye. Yo sé que tú quieres moverlo sin pena, sin estrés. Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, de todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, de todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz. Recuperé la fe cuando ya tú te vi, mami. Bailabas como un ángel, me acuerdo de ese party. No lo hacías despacito, no eras como Daddy, eras como Bad Bunny, tu flow bastante cari, alright. Hermoso y con timidez me gusta, y con esa sencillez que asusta. Sabes bien cómo es que es combi completa de cabeza a los pies. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono, te subo el pitch y te derrito el